Give me the best of the band. Give me the best of the band. Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Glam.Nefercent here, back at it again with a big edit again. I'm gonna do an unboxing, guys, today on the Nathaniel Noir bag. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell to be notified when girl uploads, and all that other good stuff. Okay, I've done a few bag videos on my channel and perfume videos. Usually those kind of go hand in hand, kinda. So if you guys are interested, I will leave more bag videos down below. But today we are reviewing a black owned purse company. Okay, black owned, and I believe he is from New York as well. Now, me and my best friend been eyeing these bags for the longest. I always love me a good bag now, honey. I always love me a good bag. Okay, so my best friend decided to surprise me for Christmas, an early Christmas gift, and she got me my bags, and she finally gave it to me last week. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will see that I wore it to the 2000s party I went to, and you guys will see it. I'll leave a picture here. And I just look so good. Okay, it went with my outfit. I felt sexy, all of that. It stole the show. It stole the show. So yes, guys, now his packaging is fire packaging. Who you know stuff come like this? Now of course it comes in another box, but it comes literally with this. Like, I messed up the box, don't kill me, but it comes like this. Like, it has the two handles, so it's like, it's perfect for a gift. Like, you don't even have to worry about no damn gift bag. All you gotta do is be like, happy birthday, Merry Christmas. Come on. Okay, so it comes in this, and it does have like python or crocodile. As you guys can see, it does have crocodile detail all over the box. Very cute. Packaging is down packed. Okay, let me just show you what comes with it. It also comes with this beautiful silk bag that I could reuse for some wigs. Look at this. So this will be, it does have Nathaniel Noir. It says Luxury Essential by Nathaniel Noir, www.noir-x.com. It does have his website and everything. It does have the silk bag that you could put your purse back in so it doesn't get messed up, honey, or collect dust. I think this is so cute. I love it so much. And you know, he pays attention to detail, and I like that. He also has another one of these dust bags. Okay, it comes with that. It does come with wrapping paper. Like, who does? Nobody goes out their way to do gift wrapping paper. Like, nobody does that. And it's black. I'm sorry, it's unclassy for me to ball it up like that, but I was excited. Okay, there, I folded it. And I'm keeping this box, honey. I'm keeping my bag. I'll keep my bag. And I'm keeping my bag. Look how cute. Eat. Ooh. Yeah. Period. Look how cute this is, y'all. Look how cute. Fendi, nobody's talking to you. Anything in the world bag. This is the smaller version. He does have bigger bags, and I do like that. Bigger bags. I did get the small version of the silver crocodile. He had a big sale around Black Friday, guys. So yes, I got my bag. I was so excited. This bag is so cute. I personally wanted to give him a try. So I'm so happy that my best friend got me this, because it's so freaking cute. It feels good on the hand. It's Glam.Nefercent approved. It's Glam.Nefercent approved. I have no complaints at all. No complaints. Also, the bags came very quickly. I believe they came like, I'm gonna say a week and a half, maybe like 10 business days. It did not take long at all. Also, if you guys are wondering, it does come with straps. It does come with straps. And what I do like is that it's adjustable. I like that it's adjustable. And it's kind of adjustable long enough for, you know, somebody with a bigger stomach, or a bigger body so that it's not sitting right here. Like, it's actually good for that. But this, it does have the straps. Sometimes I actually would wear the straps, but for now I'm not gonna wear it. But it does come with the straps, and the straps have the same detailing on them like the bag. And I'm gonna do a close-up on the bag again to show you guys how cute she is. Yo, look at this. And it does have his name. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. It does have his name here in a light black font. Does have his name. And just the bag is just get into the bag real quick. It's so cute. It's like, you know, I just love the bag so much. So yes, we need to normalize black luxury at its finest. Okay, Nathaniel Noir, he's so fine, y'all. He is so fine. Y'all go check out Nathaniel Noir. Like, this is what's popping. Like, it does have this hair, and usually I take things like that off, but I'm gonna leave it because period. And I cannot wait to get more. It's a blue one that I want, guys. I need that one for my birthday because I want to wear all white for my birthday, and I kind of have a vision. And I want to wear it's like a monochromatic. I think that's, I just want to say that, but it's like a mermaidish, blue-ish. It kind of turns colors every time you like twist it. But this is my bag. I wanted to come on here and show you guys my cute Nathaniel Noir bag because y'all listen, a lot of people, he's up and coming, and he's about to be popping, like way more popping than these other brands. I personally love him. I love the bag. He's very sweet. He actually responds. He's mad sweet. I had to do it. I had to. Who? Yeah. I'm glad I met you too, baby. Yes. So if you guys like this bag, if you guys know about him, definitely let me know. But yeah, y'all go check out my other bag reviews as well. Guys, don't forget to love yourself first, keep it glamming, and Glam.Nefercent signing out. Love you guys. Bye.
Bitches gon' be mad.